Speaking.
The next call is a split call. Dr. Kennedy Graham, 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The stated aim of this bill is to amend various statutes to provide for better information flows between the agencies in relation to personal information, including biometric information. This is to enable better identity verification of individuals for the purpose of preventing offences and, when they have occurred, detecting, investigating and prosecuting them. The Minister publicly explained the bill is in response to the Smith-Traynor inquiry of last year, which called for, as she put it, a step change in the way identity is verified and shared in the justice sector. That entity, she said, was to be, quote, based on unalterable information, such as fingerprints and facial recognition, rather than paper records. The bill would allow agencies access to the driver's licence photo database and birth, death and marriages information of offenders and mental health patients subject to the criminal justice system. The move towards a single shared record of photographs, fingerprints and facial recognition would, she said, equip New Zealand law and border enforcement agencies with the best tools in identifying offenders and absconders. Mr. Speaker, our concern is that the bill permits the widespread collection of biometric data on the basis of a single incident involving an escaped prisoner. I pick up on the point made by the previous speaker, Mr. McKelvey, lamenting the fact that the Green Party was pinning its opposition purely on that, but in fact, sir, that's not an accurate portrayal of our position. The essential opposition we have to the bill is triggered not by one person. It's the main reason is the fact that what the Minister calls unalterable information is to us unacceptable information in terms of its intrusive nature into privacy laws. The Customs' ability to collect biometric data is not limited to people suspected of having travel restrictions, though their regulatory impact statement suggests that it would be used sparingly. It's not clear how the information will be shared among agencies, given corrections already possess this information. The scope for further information gathering of patients, for example, in mental health care, and sharing with foreign enforcement agencies may pose privacy, as Marama Davidson, my colleague, pointed out in some detail earlier. I won't spell out those details again. But as our Labor colleague Jacinda Ardern said at the beginning, this issue is, and it's not the first time it comes before this House, it's a balance between, on the one hand, national security concerns and domestic security concerns, and on the other hand, privacy laws and the right to avoid unnecessary intrusion. And as she put it, she searched and could find no borer. For the record, the Green Party sought a briefing from the Ministry of Justice on this issue and was refused. Mr. Speaker, for these reasons, the Green Party will, on the first reading, oppose this bill.